ultraviolet visible spectroscopy. Okay, the ultraviolet visible spectroscopy is the study between the interaction between the UV visible radiation and the molecule of interest, which is our sample. Okay, there are three types of molecular species that can absorb UV visible radiation. The first one is organic compound. Organic compound is a chemical compound that contain carbon, such as alkane, alkenes, alkynes, carboxylic acid, ester, and so on. The chemical compound that contain carbon. Okay, the second one is inorganic species, is the species that does not contain carbon, such as transition metal, lanthanide, and actinide elements. And you can refer to this element, you can refer to the periodic table. Okay, for the third one is the charge transfer. Okay, charge transfer is a complex in which one species is an electron acceptor while another species is an electron donor. For example, the ion 3 thiocyanate complex. Okay, the ion 3 plus is the electron acceptor while the thiocyanate ligand is the electron donor. Okay, the molecules that absorb the UV visible radiation will undergo electronic excitation, in which the electron from the ground state will move to higher energy state. And this is where the absorption occur. Okay, the UV visible spectroscopy is the wavelength for UV visible radiation is from 200 to 700 nanometer. And also, as the energy for ultraviolet and visible radiation is higher, so instead of the electronic excitation or electronic transition, the vibration transition and vibration rotation will also occur in the ultra visible radiation absorption in the ultra visible radiation. Okay, as I said just now, the molecule can absorb the UV visible radiation, and when the absorption occurs, the electron will move from the ground state to the excited state, as you can see from this diagram. Okay, ada electronic level, vibrational level, and rotational level. If the molecule absorb the UV visible radiation, and then this transition will result in the band spectra, as you can see from this diagram. Okay, so you know that the electron will move from the ground state to higher energy state or excited state. Okay, so in this transition there will be akan dipecahkan to a few type of transition, and this will depend to the electrons, the type of electrons. Okay, there are three types of electrons in a molecule, which include the sigma, pi, and n electron, and this will be found in the organic compound. Okay, the second one is D and F electron, which is found in the inorganic species. And the third one, charge transfer electron, will be found in charge transfer complex. Okay, we go to the pi, sigma, and n electron. Okay, the sigma electron here is represented by the single covalent bond. Okay, the single covalent bond is also called as saturated bond. Okay, for the pi bond here is represented by the double bond and also the triple bond. Okay, double bond and triple bond is represented by pi electron. And also these bonds are called unsaturated bond. Okay, and n electron. Okay, n electron represent the non-bonding electron sebab dia tak bonding. Okay, n electron is the lone pair, which is the non-bonding electron. Dia tak terlibat dalam bonding. Okay. Okay, so we go more detail for the for the sigma electron. Okay, just like I said just now, sigma electron is the electron involved in the single bond. For example, those between carbon and hydrogen in alkane. Alkane contohnya CnH2n plus 2 C2H6 contohnya. Okay, kalau korang buat ni C2H6 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, semua adalah single bond. So they contain sigma electron. And then this sigma electron is a strong bond. So the amount of energy required to excite electron in sigma bond is more than UV photon wavelength. So this means that the sigma electron, the molecule which has sigma electron does not absorb UV photon, the absorption cannot occur because the amount of energy required to make the electron excited is higher than UV visible wavelength. So therefore this molecule that has sigma electron such as alkane can be used as transparent solvent. Maksudnya dia boleh jadi solvent to another molecule. And then the second type of electron is pi electron, which is the electron that contain double bond and triple bond. Okay, this bond usually exists in alkenes, C double bond C, alkyne, C triple bond C, conjugated olefin, the molecule which has the alternate single and double bond, and also aromatic compound that contain double bond such as benzene. Okay, the electrons in pi bond are excited easily, and this compound commonly absorb UV or visible photon. Okay, these are the example of the pi bond. Okay, for the third one is lone pair electron, which is non-bonding electron that is not involved in bonding. Okay, this is usually can be found in organic compound that contain nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur or halogen. Halogen ni group 17, bromine, chlorine and iodine. Okay, this compound also can absorb the UV visible radiation. These are the example of non-bonding electrons.